Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SSNT. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So all this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Quite the eventful day today, not only from the price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume, and volume was well above average volume. And overall, I'm not going to call today a total pump and dump, but things are looking pretty sketchy. Things are looking very, very shaky. And, the level that's going to kind of help dictate whether or not this was ultimately a pump and dump or not is down here at 280. Why is 280 an important level? Well, I'm not saying this is what's going to occur, but if the price comes down to 280 and then just breaks down through there and continues on down, what would that be doing to the price? Well, at that point in time, that would literally be putting the price right back inside of that range of the chart where it was before the big move occurred today. And not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true power, true strength, or anything like that. Whereas on the flip side of things, and to be fair from the big picture point of view, if the price comes down to this level, behaves in this manner, and then starts to work its way back upwards, well, at least at this point, you'd have a set of lows there. You'd have those lows down there, and if you envision those as stair steps, you have stair steps progressing in the upward direction. Now, again, I'm well aware if you're some sort of day trader and you bought there or you bought right there and your plan was to buy and sell within 7 minutes, well, then, yeah, from that point of view, you don't care about, this 280 mark. But my point here is that from the general, and grand scheme of things, the price does still have an opportunity to build a higher base. But yeah, if the price comes down to that level and then just crushes down through there, at that point, that's essentially, a pump and dumps chart where the price has made a very nice move upwards. And then within a relatively short amount of time, the price goes right back to where it started. Like I said, not saying that is what's going to happen, but if it were, that is literally the epitome of a pump and dump right there. So yeah, a lot of eyeballs going to be down there right around that $2.80 mark. So we'll see if the price can stay up above that level or not. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.